pH measure? And we're talking about the pH scale. Lydia?
pH measures the strength of acids and bases.
It measures the strength of an acid and a base. What makes something an acid? What are we measuring when we're measuring if something is an acid? Janina?
If an acid is an acid, the pH has to be less than 7.
Okay, so the pH is going to be less than 7. What does it mean if the pH is less than 7? What are we really measuring with pH? The pH scale measures the what? It measures the what of a solution. Stephanie? Is that a question, or are you telling me?
Yeah.
We measure the hydrogen ion concentration. And how do we measure concentration? We learned about this in the last chapter. We measure concentration in what? What do we call the concentration of a solution? That is called, Jocelyn?
Molarity.
The molarity. Very good. And what are the units of molarity? What's per what? Genevieve?
Moles per liter.
Moles per liter. Very good. So pH is just a special way of measuring how many moles of hydrogen ions there are per liter of solution. What is the opposite of pH? When we talk about the other side, what's the opposite of pH? Rufus? pOH. And if pH measures the hydrogen ion concentration, what does pOH measure? It's in the name. Genevieve?
Measures the hydroxide.
The hydroxide ion concentration. How many moles of hydroxide ions are there per liter of solution? Very good. And we talked about how we can use different types of pH indicators in order to tell if a solution is an acid or a base. Who can give me an example of an acid? In one of our experiments, give me one example of an acid. Ashley? Vinegar. Very good. Vinegar is a strong acid. Who can give me one example of a base? Charlene? Soap. Very good. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. What other type of bases do we have? We have soap. Somebody give me one other. What's the major base we talk about? Kevin? Drain cleaner, which is what we're going to be dealing with a little bit today. Strong sodium hydroxide is going to be the base we talk about today. Vinegar is going to be the acid we talk about today. Does anybody remember the scientific name of vinegar? You might say it right on the front here. Begins with an A, type of acid. Acetic acid. Very good. That's going to be the acid we use today. All right, we're good at it.
Okay.
Take a little break, and I'll explain our experiment without being recorded. You all did very good. Okay.
Yes.
That's all you had to do. Very good. All right. Just so that you know what we're going to do next.
Yeah.
Abby, you can start recording whenever. Now,
Wait.
I'm just going to take snippets of anything.
Fudge. Wait. How did I stop it or what?
No, but still recording.